Hello YouTube, thank you for stopping by. As always, please click like if you happen to enjoy this video. Please click on subscribe, and if you would like to be notified when I publish future videos, just click on that bell-shaped notify button. Additionally, I'd love to hear from you, so be sure to leave me a comment and please share this video with anyone else you think might enjoy it as well. Alrighty then. In this video, I'm making an industrial-style black pipe table stand, and I'm going to put a nice wood top on it. It should be fun. I hope you find the process informative. Okay, so the project for this weekend was making this industrial-style black pipe crafting table for my wife. She always does so much for me, and I appreciate it when I can do something for her that makes her happy. My wife has been getting some really great use out of the crafting table that she has been using up to this point, at least 9 years now, but it's finally time that she got an upgrade. With the table cover on, the previous table didn't look too bad, really. But in actuality, it was just a crappy folding table, a little too short, not very strong, and you could actually see it flex and bend if you pressed down on the top. Additionally, the folding table leg supports took up too much room, making it impractical to store any of her crafting supplies under the table. So I picked up some steel black pipe gas fittings at Home Depot, and I will use them to make an industrial-looking table stand and then put a nice wooden top on it. The first step is to use some acetone and clean all the oil off the pipes and fittings so that they can be painted. After cleaning up the pipes, I did a quick test fitting just to ensure that everything would work as planned. Everything looks good. Once I was satisfied that the design was okay, I took everything apart, masked the pipe threads, and then painted the pipes with a black hammer-finished Rust-Oleum spray paint. We had also found a nice unfinished Acacia hardwood butcher block countertop at Home Depot that was half price, so we picked that up as well. Being unfinished, my wife could pick out her desired stain color and finish, making this entire decision-making process a no-brainer. I decided to cut the tabletop to length over at the side of the house to help prevent the sawdust from contaminating the pipes I had just painted. The walls of the cubbyhole niche that the table will sit in isn't exactly square. The walls aren't that straight. So the table width must be a little bit shorter than the narrowest part so that the table can slide in and out of this niche without rubbing the walls. Measure twice, cut once. Being a hardwood tabletop, it wasn't the easiest thing to be cutting with my old circular saw, but with a little perseverance I got it. My wife, as always, was eager to help, so she did the sanding and staining. We kept the section of the tabletop that was cut off and stained it as well. We might use it later to make a matching shelf to go above her crafting table. After the paint and stain had dried and cured, it was time to do the final assembly. We remeasured the niche just to be sure and then cleaned the floor real quick. I decided to use some self-adhesive felt pads on the bottom of the pipe flanges that make up the feet of the table stand. This will help keep the tile floors from getting all scratched up. As it turns out, the fit of the felt pads to the pipe flanges was perfect. Now to assemble. Bit by bit, everything comes together as it should. In actuality, this is probably the quickest part of the whole project. Once fully assembled, it is checked and adjusted for height and level. Next comes some cardboard to protect the tabletop from getting scratched up by the floor. The tabletop gets positioned bottom side up. The table stand is then positioned and then screwed into place. Next, the table will get flipped right side up and slid into its niche for a perfect fit. Mission accomplished.
Two thumbs up. That's awesome. That looks really good. Nice.
If my wife is happy, then I'm happy. Okay, I guess that's it for this video. Remember, please click like if you happened to enjoy this video. If you haven't done so already, I'd really appreciate it if you would please click on subscribe. And if you would like to be notified when I publish future videos, just click on that bell-shaped notify button. Additionally, I'd love to hear from you, so be sure to leave me a comment and please share this video with anyone you think might enjoy it as well. Bye for now.